It is 7:30. Our flight leaves in 2 hours. The bags are not ready.
The kids are still sleeping. Will we miss the plane, or will this become the biggest adventure of our lives? Stay with us.
Oh no! It is 7:30. We are late.
Wake up. Our flight is at 10 o'clock.
Ugh. We are going to Costa Rica.
Find your jacket.
Dress quickly.
Dress quickly. Your shoes are under the pillow. The taxi will be here in 10 minutes. Huh?
Quick comb. We must go.
Time to leave for the airport.
Oh, the airport is close. The airport is busy.
This is your boarding pass. El Bremimpi, named Dion.
We are flying to San Jose.
The bags are ready. Security check is important.
Everything is safe.
Small breakfast before boarding. Costa Rica is warm and green.
It is time to board. Next stop, adventure.
The plane!
The plane is ready, as said.
We are flying! We are flying!
The clouds look like cotton.
Orange juice and coffee.
Just a small bump.
Just a small bump. We are landing. Burrow.
We are landing! We made it! Yes, we made it!
Find the suitcases. Oh. Welcome to Costa Rica.
Iets bivia industriëls twinst te frostvat en iets sturdy torrents to be sourced out.
looks warm and soft. So many trees.
Everything is green.
This is our hotel.
This is our motel. Time to rest.
Did you get the keys, honey?
Wow, look at that. Look at the view.
It looks magical.
It looks so magical. It looks magical.
Let us settle in.
Time to swim. Not me.
Probably second then, Mart.
Vacation has begun. Peaceful and calm. Wildlife is everywhere. Beautiful sunset. Local food is delicious.
Ice cream makes everyone happy.
The stars are bright.
Time to sleep.
A new day begins. Eat well for adventure.
The rainforest is amazing. Look! A monkey! A monkey!
Bright tropical birds.
A tall volcano. Behave.
내려오다. Woo-hoo.
Memories forever.
Whoa. What one?
The ocean is beautiful.
The ocean is beautiful.
Whoa! Whoa!
So much fun.
They won! Build together.
Happy family moment.
Golden sky.
We made it.
Our Costa Rica adventure has just begun.